As we click into the touchscreen and explore it, you'll see all of these folder cards here as well too. Everything that you see on our end is pre-made, pre-templated, and completely customizable with all of these graphics. Throughout the entire platform, you can add as much content as you would like, include everything throughout the entire school and its history across athletics, academics, alumni, arts, military, and so much more. Anything that you would like to celebrate and recognize. As we click in to this athletic folder, again, you can add as much content as you would like throughout the entire platform. So anything across Hall of Fame, digital trophies, records, college signings, and so much more. Checking out the Hall of Fame, you can see you can add as many profiles as you would like. You can filter them up top, add in all sorts of descriptions. Then inside the profile, you can add as much content as you would like as well too. So as many images, videos, also an endless bio on the right as well.